So we were discussing this reading by K.S. James and Srinivas Goli, Demographic Changes in India. Is the country prepared for the challenge? Now we are going to talk in this reading, in this particular recording, about the drivers of the population change, and how is this experience a little different from the Western countries. So I think I'll be trying to complete up mortality decline and fertility decline today. Let's see how much we are able to complete. So there are several drivers of the economic change, of the demographic change. So the first driver of the demographic change is mortality decline. So what they're saying is that the mortality decline, that is the reduction in the premature deaths, is the first point where the growth rate or where the demographic change it starts occurring. So that is the crucial catalyst of the demographic change, in the words of authors. They say that first of all, mortality it starts declining, and then other changes they start happening in the economy. So it means because the mortality rate it has started falling and the birth rates are still high, there is a natural rate of increase in the population growth. And what is generally believed is that when the mortality has started declining, there is going to be the automatic reduction in the birth rates also. ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं कि अगर मोर्टेलिटी डिक्लाइन होनी चालू हो गई है तो अपने आप से बर्थ रेट भी कम होना चालू हो जाएगा? ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? ऐसा इसलिए भी सोचा जाता है कि जो फैमिलीज हैं उनको अब ये लगता है क्योंकि हमारे बच्चों के जीने की संभावना, जीवित रहने की संभावना अब ज्यादा है, क्योंकि मोर्टेलिटी अब डिक्लाइन होनी स्टार्ट हो गई है, तो हमको अब बड़ी फैमिलीज की जरूरत नहीं है। क्योंकि जितनी बड़ी फैमिली है उतना स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग जनरली देखा गया है कि लो होता है, बिकॉज कुछ ही लोग होते हैं जो काम कर रहे होते हैं, कुछ ही लोग होते हैं जो पैसा कमा रहे होते हैं, और वो सारा का सारा पैसा सब लोगों में बंटता है, बड़ी फैमिलीज। That is the point. So what is expected is that when mortality has started declining, the birth rate will also start declining automatically, because the families will start realizing that it is better to have small families. There is the higher chance of our children living, so we do not want to have large families, right? Then the other thing is that in India, when the demographic transition it has started taking place, right? The decline in infant mortality rate in the initial phases of demographic transition, it was mainly due to the improvements in the healthcare. If you look at it, what was happening in the Western countries for the same, their socio-economic status was increasing. And this has led to the decline in mortality. So here, the Indian experience is a little different from the Western experience. That the mortality decline has happened mainly due to the improvements in the healthcare, but in the Western countries, it is basically due to the improvement in the socio-economic advancement. So let's write this one. So this is the difference in the mortality decline implication in India and the Western countries. So this is the difference. So you keep this thing in head. How is the Indian experience different from the Western countries? So this is the point which you will have to write. Then there are a few trends in infant mortality rate. Few trends in infant mortality rate. One, there is a steady decline in the infant mortality rate since 1921. This is the point which I wanted to write in the answer. A steady decline. And over the last half of the last century, there has been a phenomenal progress in the decline in the infant mortality rate. That also is the point you will have. So currently, India is standing at around 40 per 1,000 live births. infant mortality in 2013. Of course, if you compare this with other Western countries, this is still high, but still where we were and where we are now, there is much difference, and there has been a phenomenal progress which has been made. So it is mainly attributed to the decline in the prevalence of the communicable diseases and the absence of major famines in the post-independence India. So please write this. This decline is due to so progress against communicable diseases, one thing. And the absence of famines in post-independence India, right? Then we will write about the contribution of the socio-economic factors to mortality decline, right? So if you look at the contribution of the importance of the socio-economic factors to the mortality decline initially during the transition phase, that was minimal. But later on, it started playing because people, I mean, in the later half of the second of the last century, that is around 1980s or after 1978, what happened was that people were getting educated. उनके पास education थी, proper family planning programs थे, उनके पास income भी उनकी बढ़ रही थी. So that also led to the mortality decline, right? So, and also there were improvements in education and there were improvements in the food production also. So all of this led to the huge role which was played by the socio-economic factors also to the mortality decline. And the government has also started putting a lot of money on the maternal and the child health programs during this period. So this also led. So please write contribution of. Right. So basically the transition of the mortality decline, it started in the early part of the last century, that is around 1921. And as far as the socio-economic factors are concerned, or you can say living standards are concerned, they were playing only the complementary role in the mortality decline. They were not playing the leading role as in the Western countries, one thing. And although even in our country, there were states which were standing at the different statuses. I mean, they were different in their endowments, and there were vast differences in their economic and social progresses. But overall, the mortality decline has happened in almost all the states. In almost all the states. So this was one driver to the demographic change. We'll look at the another driver tomorrow. So I was thinking of doing the fertility decline today, but I'll do that in the tomorrow's class. Right? Thank you, Beta.